What's up everyone and welcome back again with this another unboxing video of Noise Watch. I just don't like to unbox and review watches a lot because they always comes with same features, nothing new I find in them. But anyway, this time we have Noise Icon Plus watch and we're gonna unbox this in a second. Pretty much same features you get as you would look up to any watch in the same price range. I found this watch a bit expensive than what price Noise should ask for this watch. Pricing not now, we'll get that later. First, open this box and see what we get inside. On the front, we see this big Noise logo, some paperwork as usual, stickers, and user manual. Here is this watch, and beneath this, we get charging cable, which is kind of same as I shown you in my last video. At the start, you see this QR code, which helps you to connect this watch to your mobile phone, some product information. You can download Noise Fit app from Play Store or App Store to connect this watch to your mobile phone. This watch comes with 1.69-inch TFT LCD screen. I personally like LED panels. I am very much into everything LED when it comes to screens. The user interface of this watch is quite same as what you get in Noise Evolve or any other Noise watches, which I find is very easy to use. You can save up to 8 contacts in this watch with the help of your mobile phone, and you can dial calls from here. You can access your call logs as well. The body looks and feels quite nice. You get up to 5 days of battery life on this watch, and this watch also comes with Bluetooth calling. But if you use it frequently, it can only deliver 2 days of battery life based on how frequently and how long calls you take on this watch. So keep that in mind. Sleep monitoring, stress monitoring, blood oxygen monitor, 9 sports mode, IP67 water resistant, 100 plus cloud based watch faces. These are some of the features this watch comes with. This watch is available at around 6,000 on Noise official website. Kinda crazy. I mean, who would buy this watch at around 6,000? But same watch is available at around 2,000 on Reliance Digital website and 1,599 on GeoMart website. If you are buying watch at around 2,000 or 2,200, I would say just spend 500 rupees more and get a watch which comes with LED panel for more brighter display and good color contrast. On this note, I'm signing off this vlog, and comment down below if you wanna know anything about this or any other watch. You can DM me on Insta page, as well as you can find my other social handles in link in the description. Subscribe if you're new to this channel. See you soon. Peace out.